Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a makeup tutorial where my goddaughter Ivy, say hi, hi, she's going to do my makeup. And yeah, this has been like trending on YouTube and stuff like that, so we're going to have a little fun. We have all the makeup set out, all the brushes and everything, so let's get into it. I'm so scared. Don't poke me in the eye.
That's why I have to close them.
I'm supposed to look up with when we do the mascara. Okay, but I'll close it.
I can blink.
Look. How do I look?
Not yet.
We're not done yet? What else we have to do?
That.
Okay. You know what that is? That goes under my eyes. I guess it's, do your makeup backwards? Right here. It goes right here.
I don't want to.
You don't want to do it too close to my eye. You want to try lip for the eyeliner? That goes here. Oh, you forgot to contour me.
Huh?
You know how to contour? No? What you been teaching her? What you been teaching her? Yeah, you ready to spray?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is the nozzle on?
Okay. Back up. Back.
No.
No, you have to back up. You can't spray this close to my face. You have to back up.
Here?
Yeah. Like that. Got my neck. Got my shirt. No, not my neck. Don't do it. My face. Do my face. I think you missed completely. Where are you spraying? You
I don't know.
You gotta just do it like that. It was too hard. Oh yeah, you gotta spray it. You gotta go.
Yeah. No, you gotta turn.
Turn which way?
This way.
I'm trying. I'm scared. Okay, that's enough.
No.
Got it in my mouth. Okay, this is the final look.
I'm not done.
Oh, I guess she's not done. Okay, what else?
This one again.
You change my eye look again
Uh-huh.
for the third time?
Yeah.
Alright. Guess we're not done.
Not yet. It's because I got to do new lip gloss. Because I want to do this one.
You gotta wipe the other stuff off.
With the white.
Yep. Okay. Is it all off? You didn't wipe all the other stuff off, did you? Was that thing? Charge battery?
Like, wait, don't do that.
Our battery's about to die.
Hmm?
The battery's about to die. This the final look?
Not yet, but it can go off for a little bit.
Okay, well, we need to say in conclusion.
No, I'm not done.
In conclusion for the video's sake.
It's
And then we can do more after, okay? Okay, so this is the final look.
That's not.
Okay, it is the final
It's
look.
not.
She was that crazy.
It's
Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, we out. Bye.